Welcome, fellow adventurers, to an immersive exploration of Costa Rica, a land where every leaf rustles with stories, and each wave echoes a rhythmic dance with the shores. As we embark on this virtual odyssey, envision a canvas painted in the vibrant hues of a tropical sunset, where the tapestry of nature unfolds with mesmerizing beauty. I am your guide, here to unravel the secrets woven into the very fabric of Costa Rica. Over the next few minutes, we'll navigate not just the geography, but the essence of time, seasons, and culture that converge to make Costa Rica a true paradise. In the heart of this tropical wonderland, where Pura Vida isn't just a phrase, but a way of life, we'll peel back the layers that reveal the intricate dance between the elements sun, rain, and the symphony of wildlife. So, buckle up, not just for a journey across landscapes, but for a voyage through the soul of a nation. Our odyssey begins now, inviting you to lose yourself in the enchantment of Costa Rica. Imagine embarking on a journey through Costa Rica, where the very climate becomes a canvas for an extraordinary experience. This Central American gem pulsates with a tropical rhythm, orchestrating two distinct seasons that weave a narrative of breathtaking beauty for every traveler fortunate enough to explore its landscapes. As we step into the embrace of Costa Rica's dry season, spanning from December to April, envision the country adorning itself in a golden robe. Picture endless days bathed in warm sunlight and skies so clear they seem to stretch to infinity. It's during this period that the Pacific coast, particularly in regions like Guanacaste and the Nicoya Peninsula, emerges as a sun-soaked haven for those seeking the serenity of pristine beaches. The allure extends beyond the shoreline, with national parks like Manuel Antonio and Arenal unveiling a vibrant tapestry of life. The dry season offers a unique invitation to outdoor enthusiasts, where wildlife sightings become almost commonplace, and the trails of these national parks beckon with the promise of invigorating hikes. Now, let's dispel a common misconception surrounding Costa Rica's green season, which unfolds its lush embrace from May to November. Contrary to the image of relentless downpours, this season transforms the landscape into a verdant paradise, where every shade of green comes to life. It's a time when the Caribbean coast, in all its glory, reveals a captivating tapestry of flora and fauna. The rain showers, far from being a hindrance, are typically brief, adding a refreshing touch to the atmosphere. This is the time when hidden gems beckon away from the well-trodden paths, where crowds dissipate, and the vibrant heartbeat of the rainforest becomes more pronounced. The green season is an ideal period for those seeking a more intimate connection with Costa Rica's natural wonders, where the air is infused with the scent of blooming flowers, and the symphony of wildlife is harmonized by the gentle pattering of raindrops. In essence, Costa Rica's climate is not just a backdrop, it's an integral part of the narrative, shaping experiences that linger in the hearts of those fortunate enough to witness its beauty. Whether you find yourself immersed in the golden hues of the dry season, or enveloped in the lush embrace of the green season, Costa Rica beckons with a promise of unparalleled natural beauty, untamed landscapes, and a rhythm that resonates with the soul of the adventurer. As we journey through Costa Rica, the diverse climates paint a vivid portrait of the country's rich landscapes, offering unique experiences in each region. Our exploration along the Pacific coast unravels a tapestry of varied climates. In Guanacaste, the sun-drenched landscapes bathe in dry heat, setting the stage for quintessential beach activities. The golden sands of Tamarindo beckon surf enthusiasts to ride the waves, while Papagayo showcases the wonders of vibrant marine life beneath the azure waters. For those seeking a tranquil escape, the white sands of Playa Concal, adorned with seashells, provide a serene oasis against the backdrop of the Pacific's rhythmic waves. Venturing to the Caribbean side, a different rhythm prevails, shaped by the influence of the Atlantic hurricane season. Here, the hidden treasures of Limón and Tortuguero unfold, immersing travelers in the rich tapestry of Afro-Caribbean culture. Amidst the reggae-infused vibes, Cahuita National Park's pristine beaches invite a deeper connection with nature. The unique ambience of the Caribbean coast creates an unforgettable experience, revealing a side of Costa Rica where culture and nature harmonize. As we journey further, the central regions of Costa Rica offer a cooler turn in climate. San Jose, the bustling capital, becomes a gateway to the country's historical and artistic heritage. Amidst its vibrant streets, travelers can explore museums, galleries, and architectural wonders that reflect Costa Rica's diverse history. Venturing into the Central Valley, the landscape transforms into a haven for those seeking both cultural and natural escapades. The volcanic landscapes paint a breathtaking backdrop, creating vistas that stir the soul. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the vibrant celebrations that punctuate Costa Rica's calendar, offering a deeper understanding of its rich culture. During Semana Santa, the Holy Week, Costa Rica bursts into life with religious processions and heartfelt ceremonies. Navigating the crowds with grace, travelers can immerse themselves in the cultural tapestry of this significant week, where traditions and spirituality intertwine. It's a time when communities come together to celebrate faith and heritage, adding a profound layer to the Costa Rican experience. September brings Independence Day, a nationwide fiesta that fills the air with parades, dances, and the aroma of delectable traditional cuisine. Joining the locals in celebrating freedom, travelers can experience the sense of unity that permeates the atmosphere during this spirited celebration. It's a moment where history comes alive, and the joy of independence resonates throughout the country. For those seeking transformative experiences, Costa Rica's festival scene, epitomized by the Envision Festival, offers a unique blend of music, art, and sustainable living. Against the backdrop of lush jungles and the rhythmic waves of the ocean, attendees connect with like-minded individuals. This celebration goes beyond entertainment, fostering a deeper connection with nature and a commitment to sustainable practices, creating memories that resonate long after the festival concludes. It's an embodiment of Costa Rica's spirit, a harmonious blend of culture, nature, and the pursuit of a better world. Now, as we delve deeper into the ecological wonders of Costa Rica, let's uncover the enchanting opportunities to witness nature's symphony during specific seasons. Picture this: along the coasts of Costa Rica, from the Pacific shores of Oceanal to the Caribbean's Tortuguero, nature orchestrates one of its most awe-inspiring spectacles, the nesting season of sea turtles. Each nesting season tells a poignant tale of survival and conservation, offering you a front-row seat to the incredible journey these ancient mariners embark upon. The beaches come alive as female sea turtles emerge from the depths to lay their eggs, creating a mesmerizing dance of life that echoes through the sands. This ritual not only captivates the senses, but also underscores the vital role Costa Rica plays in preserving these magnificent creatures. And now, calling all bird enthusiasts. Costa Rica stands as a premier bird-watching destination, offering an avian paradise for those eager to spot some of the world's most captivating species. In the cloud forests, catch a glimpse of the resplendent quetzal, a symbol of freedom and beauty. With its emerald green plumage and striking red breast, the quetzal is a living testament to the vibrant biodiversity found in Costa Rica's high-altitude realms. Meanwhile, venture into Cocobado National Park to encounter toucans, vibrant, beak-clad birds that add a splash of color to the tropical landscapes. The avian wonders are boundless, creating an ornithologist's paradise where each species tells a unique story of adaptation to the rich ecosystems that blanket the country. Now that you're immersed in the ecological wonders of Costa Rica, let's transition into crafting your dream adventure with practical tips tailored to your preferences and the nuances of this tropical paradise. Firstly, let your personal preferences guide your journey. Are you yearning for the sun-kissed beaches, cultural immersion in bustling cities, or the thrill of wildlife encounters in the heart of the rainforest? Tailor your itinerary to align with your desires, ensuring a personalized and fulfilling experience that resonates with your travel aspirations. When it comes to packing, remember, pack light, pack right. Whether you're strolling along pristine beaches or hiking through dense rainforests, versatile clothing is key. Lightweight attire for the beach, sturdy hiking gear for the rainforest. A well-prepared adventurer is a happy adventurer. And, of course, don't forget the eco-friendly essentials that contribute to Costa Rica's commitment to sustainable tourism. Leave only footprints, take only memories. Lastly, let's navigate the ebb and flow of prices during peak and off-peak seasons. Costa Rica offers budget-friendly accommodations tucked away in the heart of nature, local eateries serving up authentic flavors, and efficient transportation options that connect you seamlessly to the country's diverse landscapes. Embrace the Pura Vida lifestyle not just in your experiences, but also in the conscious choices you make as a traveler. With these insights, you're well equipped to embark on a journey that transcends the ordinary, a journey into the heart of Costa Rica's time, seasons, and culture. The stage is now set for your new adventure. As our virtual journey through the enchanting landscapes of Costa Rica draws to a close, I trust that the stories shared have kindled a flame of curiosity within you, urging you to embark on your own odyssey. The allure of Costa Rica extends beyond the pixels on your screen. It's an invitation to experience the Pura Vida lifestyle firsthand. Picture yourself basking in the sun-drenched glory of the dry season, where golden rays illuminate the pristine beaches and vibrant jungles, inviting you to explore the richness of life. Feel the warmth on your skin as you embrace the serenity of the moment, understanding why Pura Vida is more than just a phrase. It's a philosophy that permeates every aspect of Costa Rican life. Alternatively, imagine dancing in the gentle rain during the green season, surrounded by the lush, emerald hues of the rainforest. Each droplet tells a story of renewal, of life bursting forth in all its splendor. It's an invitation to experience the country in its most authentic and vibrant form, where the landscapes come alive with a symphony of sounds and colors. The essence of Costa Rica is timeless, transcending the boundaries of seasons and climates. It's a place where nature, culture, and adventure converge, creating an unforgettable tapestry of experiences. Your adventure beckons, and the question lingers: when will you answer the call of Pura Vida? Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you once again for joining me on this exploration of Costa Rica's time, seasons, and culture. Until the next time our paths cross, may the spirit of Pura Vida accompany you on your own journey, wherever it may lead. Buen viaje, and Pura Vida.